Cryptocurrencies, China leads the way. Rising markets have a crucial role in the cryptocurrency mining business. This importance is due to the abundant manufacturing capability and cheap electricity available in a few rising economies. China, by way of and large, plays a pivotal role in the business. First, the maximum of the producers generating specialized hardware that verifies and secures the largest cryptocurrency networks have a peak in their operations primarily based in China. Second, China has the most essential hash charge, or computing power, of any country. Most figures put China's contribution to the Bitcoin network at another half of the arena's mining capacity, which means that most of the revenue from securing cryptocurrency networks flow to Chinese language operators. Moreover, with the recent IPO filings of the three largest cryptocurrency hardware manufacturers, the Hong Kong stock trade will allow investors get admission to 85% of the cryptocurrency mining hardware by means of revenue and exposure to nearly 40% of the Bitcoin mining rewards, similarly solidifying China because the cryptocurrency capital regarding infrastructure get right of entry to. Outdoor China, we see international locations along with Vietnam and Venezuela outright banning the shipment of cryptocurrency mining hardware into their territories to try to manipulate currency flows. A examine earlier this year estimated the value of mining a single Bitcoin in Venezuela at $532. This cost has probably multiplied given that the problem of manufacturing a Bitcoin has more than doubled. Venezuelans and residents in rising economies are turning to cryptocurrencies to preserve value inside the face of hyperinflation. A few believe that cryptocurrencies are risky and a terrible keep of price, while others in emerging economies below oppressive financial regimes view cryptocurrencies as a mechanism to shield wealth and save the value. Whether or not it's the want for a censorship-resistant save of cost that can't be confiscated like physical gadgets, or whether or not it's a need for an extraordinarily strong medium of alternate for everyday transactions, the use cases for rising economies are regularly distinct from those for evolved economies and stable monetary markets. In this fall, we count on that TEM will retain to play a never-increasing role in the boom and adoption of cryptocurrencies. China will preserve to dominate the global mining order, regardless of the current geographic diversification of home firms and the increase in competition from challengers overseas. For the duration of the next bull run, we expect persisted exponential growth of the cryptocurrency mining marketplace. The capital raised during the approaching IPOs will supply investors extensive publicity to the cryptocurrency marketplace and provide the respective companies lots of assets to retain growing new hardware. Moreover, the most distressed E.M.'s seem to be the canaries within the coal mine. With uncertainty and geopolitical risk increasing, cryptocurrencies may want to push once more upward if the worldwide monetary gadget tested.